What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology. So without wasting any time, let's start trading. We have a level here which has been touched, and this level is pretty strong because this is the third time this level is being touched. Okay, and if you look past, we have strong momentum to the upside, and if I don't see any higher high here, I would go with sellers. Let's see. Let's just go with buyers here because let's see. If you look at the past, we have single candles in this momentum, and also this one could be a single candle, and this is the third time we see that. Third time we see this single candle in this trend. The only difference is that we have a level here, but I feel like it's gonna go up. And it's just, you don't have to just go against the trend. Let's see. Okay, this was my first trade. It seems that buyers are pretty strong, and also we don't see any rejection from here. And there's two possibilities here. We can have a ranging market here and then decide which direction price gonna go, or we can have a continuation of the trend. Okay, we don't know that, so we don't mess around with this pair anymore. We changed it. Okay, we have a major downtrend and also minor downtrend. Okay, we have long shadows, which shows us this is a bad market. Okay, go up. If it goes on that round number, I will go with sellers. Okay, I go with sellers right on this round number, but it seems that it's not gonna reject. Okay, I lost this trade, no problem. I thought it's gonna reject, but it seems that it's not gonna happen. We have a morning star here, which is pretty strong buyer's entry. I don't know if it's exhaustion candle or something, but I will wait for the next candle. The next level is up on this candle. It's a pretty strong level. And also we have this trend line. Let's see. I really want to go with sellers after this candle. 3, 2, 1. I go with sellers for 2 candles for making up the previous loss. Nice. Let's change the pair. Okay, we have a strong buyer's entry and closed on this rejection point. If this candle touches this week here, I can enter with marginal safety, but otherwise I don't think it's a good idea because this is basically a bad market. You see long shadows, so you don't enter a trade like blindly. You have to enter with marginal safety because everything is possible in these kind of markets. You don't have to trust, especially it's OTC. Okay, I'm gonna wait for entering with marginal safety on this trend, this level, because you always have to enter with marginal safety when you're trading bad markets. Okay, Jesus, my entry is a little late. I mean, a little bad because I entered right here, but placed my trade right here. I don't know, because of fast movement of the candle. The reason why I was the reason why I took this trade right in this rejection point is because it's combined with this round number. Plus, this is a bad market. We had a huge candle, then we have a medium candle, and then it's in the worst case scenario we're gonna have a small candle here if it's a red. But anyways, it's gonna be my third win, I guess. Okay, so remember that if you're facing a bad market, so the bad markets signs are these crazy wicks. Okay, so when you're trying to trade in a bad market, if you look, there's 95% of candles have shadows in both ways. Okay, in both ways. I'm gonna just count it for you. Okay, let's count 10 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if you look, there's almost every one except this one, and let's say this one hasn't from the downside. Okay, so 80% of the candles are having shadows both ways. So you always take your trades with marginal safety in bad markets. Okay, let's see. Holy cow, look at this. We have a strong level, and also we have a rejection point here. We will wait for price to reach this level and enter a long position. I mean the higher option. Because I'm expecting a green candle here, but I want to enter with marginal safety. Okay, didn't have a chance to enter this trade. No problem. Okay, let's see if it's gonna happen or not. I'm looking for this candle close up on this level, then I go with sellers. Okay, so this is my scenario. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Okay, that'd be perfect trade. Please don't reject. No, didn't happen. Okay, the next candle might close up there. Okay, I took the trade, but I'm not gonna lie, this is basically 50-50 because I was expecting this candle close up here, and since this candle would be a big candle sign of reversal, plus we had this rejection point and also this level previously broke, this could be a discount trade, but it happened on second trade, so it lowered the probability of winning this trade. But still, I took this trade because I like this specific strategy, and this is gonna be my last trade. Guys, you can see that I already have my scenarios in my brain, in my mind, I mean, and that's how I take my trades. Okay, whenever I see this candle, I know what I'm gonna do if this candle closes here or here. Okay, so that's the key, I mean, to be successful trader in binary option. And yeah, I will you know, try to teach you my experience over the time. So make sure that you follow my channel. I mean, hit the subscribe button if you like this video or you learned something. Try to hit the like button so I get motivated and create more content for you guys. Thank you for watching anyways. Yeah, peace out.